Jamaicans are being urged to report cybercrime to the police, especially given the increased online usage owing to the current COVID-19 pandemic. With October being recognized as Cybersecurity Month, the Jamaica Cybersecurity Incident Response Team, JCERT, is partnering with the media and other entities to educate the public about cybersecurity as their personal responsibility. Lieutenant Colonel Godfrey Sterling is asking citizens to be vigilant and report all illegal online activities. The Jamaica Cybersecurity Incident Response Team head was speaking at a Jamaica Information Service think tank session.
The primary or the cornerstone of our existence is to secure Jamaicans' experience in cyberspace and deny the nefarious activities of cyber trollers on those activities. Despite the vagaries of the current pandemic, we, the practitioners in cybersecurity, must endeavor to ensure that we secure the experience of Jamaicans and Jamaica's sovereign interests in cyberspace. This is by no means a small feat, given the levels of hyper-digitization that has been foisted onto the entire world, and Jamaica is no exception.
Lieutenant Colonel Sterling says the government remains committed to building a digital society. However, cybersecurity awareness is crucial for this to occur successfully and safely.
In going digital, the pillars of access and communication, e-powered commerce and learning, and enhanced security and health and wellness framework must be underpinned by modern, harmonious laws that facilitates innovation and research and development. All of this must be wrapped with the strong bonds of a robust cybersecurity framework that is geared to securing Jamaicans and Jamaica's national interest within cyberspace.
Not only should you secure yourself while online, the tech security team says Jamaicans should familiarize themselves with the nation's cyber law in the Cybersecurity Act.
We would be feeling our way through the dark without there being some level of knowledge and awareness of what we're doing. And so events like this and the other events planned for Cybersecurity Awareness Month are geared at raising that level of awareness, engaging all our constituents, and ensuring that persons are aware of the threats, the pitfalls, and some of the easier ways to avoid these.
To commemorate Cybersecurity Awareness Month, JCERT and partners will be hosting 4 virtual forums from October 8 to October 26. Interested persons can register for the events at www.surveymonkey.com.